Are you looking for the best bike repair stands in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 10 best bike repair stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 10 is the Topeak Prepstand Pro. One of the priciest models in my article today is the Topeak Prepstand Pro. It comes with extras including a carrying storage bag and an integrated digital scale. With a wide range of height adjustments, it can be set up and taken down remarkably quickly. The wide footprint creates very good stability, which is provided by the long tripod legs and rubber feet. The sturdy aluminum quick-release mechanism keeps things firmly in place while in use as well. Another element I adored was the unusual air-cushioned dropping of the height adjustment. Even though it isn't the smallest or lightest when fully folded, the PrepStand Pro was incredibly simple to store, move, or transport. This is all thanks to the supplied storage carrying bag. Coming in at number 9 is the Park Tool Team Issue PRS25. The additional benefit of this Park Tool PRS25 Team Issue repair stand is that it folds down quite compactly. Hence, you can easily toss it in the back of the car or van and transport it to races or events. It has a simple-to-use clamp that securely holds bikes. The clamp height extends up to 60 inches 152 centimeters, which I found to be more than enough for working on a bike. It then collapses down to a length of 47 inches 119 centimeters. It is simple to take it out of the container and put it together. Then, after a few minutes, it is ready to use. A large platform is provided by the easily retractable legs, and once they are open, quick-release mechanisms secure everything into position. The clamp works with a variety of tube sizes 2376. I discovered that everything, from slim road bikes to big alloy mountain bikes, fit perfectly. It is sufficient for practically all road bikes and the majority of mountain bikes because it is certified for bikes weighing up to 45 kilograms. The clamp can also be rotated 360 degrees, so you can always connect the bike to your desired position. Overall, the Park Team Issue PRS25 bike repair stand is one of the best heavy-duty bike repair stands. At number 8, we have the Feedback Sports Sport Mechanic Repair Stand. The Feedback Sports Sport Pro Elite is simple to assemble and disassemble, folds up compact for storage and travel, and is quite light. Its tripod base, long legs, and high-quality metal quick-release fasteners serve to assure stability throughout its 42-71 height adjustment range. The ratcheting quick-release clamp mechanism on the folding clamp arm is extremely user-friendly and can be rotated 360 degrees. This is one of the best features of this stand. Spinner knobs provide even clamping pressure and precise closure. Even the largest frame tubes are accommodated by the clamp's 1.9-inch 4.8 cm aperture. With a total load capacity of 65 pounds 29.5 kilograms, most road, gravel bikes, fat bikes, electric bikes, and even heavy-duty touring bikes can be used on them. It is a solid repair stand created from anodized aluminum and coated in steel. It creates a strong yet lightweight stand to use. Even on uneven surfaces, the rigid tripod base provides maximum stability. Overall, the Feedback Sports Sport Pro Elite is one of the best professional bike repair stands. At number 7, we have the CXWXC bike repair stand. If you have checked the prices on any of the other bike stands in this review, you might be put off by the very high prices. Finally, the CXWXC bike repair stand is a very reasonably priced option. The value for money alone makes this a very good buy, as the quality is still very good. The clamp that holds the bike swivels 360 degrees and allows you to hold the bicycle by the top tube seat post, or down tube. It has a small tool tray that is super handy for easy access to your tools when working on your bike. Overall, the CXWXC bike repair stand is a very reasonably priced bike stand for someone who can't justify the high prices of the other stands. While the quality is not as good as some of the others, it is certainly worth the money. Coming in at number 6 is the Topeak PrepStand X. With its compact, light design, the Topeak PrepStand X offers a useful alternative to traditional clamping repair stands. The flexibility of this stand may be greater than that of the clamping stands in the article. With the capacity to freely spin 360 degrees and height adjustments ranging from 33 to 57 inches. Despite its relatively modest 37.9 pound weight limit, I found the aluminum frame is strong and steady. The stand seems to be made with highly durable materials. The biggest difference with this bike stand is the need to remove the front wheel to allow the forks to be mounted on the stand. If you have a super expensive carbon bike and don't want the frame locked in place, this could be a good option. It might take a bit of setup time as you'll need to alter the mounting length for each new bike you place on the stand, and various bikes might need various axle adapters. This can become tiring after a while. The Topeak PrepStand X is the best option if you want to repair your bike without worrying about clamps damaging your tubes. Overall, the Topeak PrepStand X is a good bike repair stand for carbon bikes. Halfway through at number 5 is the Park Tool PCS 10.3 Deluxe Home Mechanic Repair Stand. A sturdy and reliable work stand, the PCS 10 will provide you with many years of use. Park Tool enjoys a solid reputation for its industry tools. The majority of bike shops worldwide have high-quality tools and clamps. However, this is the heaviest stand that is on the list today. This stand may require some initial time to assemble, but once it is constructed, it requires no time at all to close and open up. On the PCS 10, the height of the clamp can be altered anywhere between 39 and 59 inches. By releasing the height adjustment collar's fast release and pulling the upper tube away from the lower main tube. The clamp is the PCS 10's most remarkable feature. This heavy clamp has wide jaws that can hold tubes up to 3 inches in diameter and narrow jaws that can grasp tubes as thin as 7/8 inches. The clamp has rubber on it, which may be changed as it becomes worn out. At number 4 we have the Feedback Sports Pro Mechanic HD. The Feedback Sports Pro Mechanic HD easily beat the competition, earning the top spot in our review. The stand sets up and breaks down in seconds, collapses small for storage and travel, and is relatively lightweight. The tripod base and extra long legs create a wide footprint, giving it unparalleled stability. The main difference between this stand and the others is its stability for heavier bikes, our lead reviewer said. High-quality metal quick-release levers and collars ensure the tolerances stay tight and stability isn't sacrificed. A claimed height range of 44-68 inches gives the stand versatility for whatever wrenching tasks you undertake, but it's more stable at lower heights. The folding clamp arm locks into place with 360 degrees of rotational adjustment and a super user-friendly hand crank clamp design. The forged clamp is a standout feature and is far simpler to use than other models we've tested. The Pro Mechanic HD is pricey, but its durability and user-friendliness will not disappoint. Paying for the well-thought-out design and high-quality components is an investment against future frustration. However, we recognize that not everyone needs such a heavy-duty stand. Feedback Sports makes a non-HD version of the Pro Mechanic that is still quite stable with a 75-pound max weight capacity, and it will save you around $100. The third product on our list is the Bike Hand IC 100BH. The Bike Hand IC 100BH work stand costs less than half as much as most other models we tested and is actually quite good. My expectations were about as low as the price, but I was pleasantly surprised that the features and performance far exceed the price, our lead tester said. It's one of the lightest weight options in our test and collapses small for storage and travel. The simple, intuitive design makes it quick and easy to set up and break down, and the clamp and angle adjustments are solid and user-friendly. The bike hand doesn't match the stability of the much more expensive contenders, but our tests proved it adequate for many DIY tasks. The included removable tool tray is also a nice feature. Compared to our highest performing award winners, this stand isn't quite as stable and the height adjustment range is smaller. We also questioned the longevity of its many plastic parts, but we were generally impressed with the bike hand's performance, especially considering the price. If you're working with a budget and need an occasional work stand for home or travel, check it out. If your budget allows, an adjustable stand, such as the Park Tool PCS 10.2, is more stable. It provides a sturdy base from which to work and offers a user-friendly clamp system ideal for the home workshop. Second on our list is the Feedback Sports Pro E-Lift Bike Repair Stand. The Feedback Sports Pro E-Lift is far and away the most expensive stand in our test, but it's also the only one that lifts the bike for you. With a loading height of just 36, you can simply roll your bike into the stand and clamp the seat post without lifting it off the ground. Once securely clamped, you raise the electric stand and up to 100 pounds of bicycle with a push of a foot pedal button. This same clamp earned kudos in our review of the Pro Mechanic HD for its simplicity, clamp strength, and the ability to use it with one hand. Some of those attributes are less important since you're not holding the bike in the air while clamping your seat post, but it's still our favorite clamp on the market. Unlike most tripod-style bike stands, this model uses a flat base that offers incredible stability and fewer tripping hazards. Weighing in at 54 pounds, the stand is far less portable than most, but it does have transport wheels that let you move it around without strain. An oversized alloy central mast gives the stand unprecedented stability, and its telescoping function allows it to effortlessly raise the heaviest of bikes up to 72. The clamp head allows you to rotate bikes 360 degrees to work on them while upside down. But the stand's design keeps the clamp pointed in the same direction along the two stabilizing arms, and it does not swivel. The base's shape and low-mounted motor let you set it up against a wall to maximize space. The Pro E-Lift is certainly not for everyone. In fact, most people can get by with a far simpler repair stand. But if you enjoy working on your bikes and find the process of loading heavy bikes into a stand daunting or frustrating, the E-Lift solves that problem and provides an exceptionally stable work spot. If you're looking for an awesome gift for the bike enthusiast who has everything, this stand will almost certainly knock their socks off. Finally, the top product on our list is the Park Tool Team Issue PRS 22.2. Visiting the pit area of any professional road race, you're sure to see professional mechanics using what is often called European style or cradle type repair stands, which look completely different from the work stands found in bike shops. Euro-style stands, like Park Tool's magnificent PRS 22.2 Team Issue $462, are ubiquitous in the race environment because of the aerodynamic shaping applied to the frames and seat posts of modern race bikes, which makes clamping these bikes to tube clamp-style stands risky. Even if your frame has round tubes and a round seat post, there are plenty of other reasons why the Park PRS 22. The second of may work well for you, too. Rather than grabbing the seat post, as the more common tube clamp stands found in bike shops or the portable options in this guide, the PRS 22 cradles the bottom bracket of the frame and holds either axle in a clamp or carriage. The carriage interfaces with the bike's existing through axles or an included quick-release skewer with spacers that make it adaptable to the spacing of the front or rear hub. Like many tube clamp stands, the base is a folding tripod, but overall the PRS 22.2 footprint is a bit smaller than most portable tube clamp stands. The bottom bracket cradle and wheel clamp positioning are adjustable along the length of the stand's main beam or tray, so you can set up the balance points to best suit your frame's dimensions. While adjusting the PRS 22.2 is fairly straightforward, the lack of a central clamp means that it may also require adjustment as you transition between tasks on the same bike. For instance, to switch from indexing the rear shifting to adjusting the front brake caliper alignment, you'd need to remove the bike and reposition both the cradle and carriage. This is the main reason why this type of stand is not practical for a commercial bike shop, where whole bikes need to be assessed and repaired in the least amount of time possible. Additionally, the PRS 22.2 will require small adjustments to the bottom bracket cradle positioning or axle clamp positioning anytime you begin work on a different bike, as the wheelbases are most likely not the same. The axle carriage works with any through axle size without adapters, but switching between bikes that use a quick-release 9mm requires removal or reinstallation of the included quick-release skewer and spacers, but is potentially another step in the process of working on various bikes in one session. Once the bike is mounted to the balance points along the main beam, the bike can spin or carousel smoothly in 360 degrees, making the most basic maintenance task cleaning your bike a snap by ensuring quick and unobstructed access to every nook and cranny of the bike from one standing position. It's also possible to get eyes and tools on whatever you're working on more quickly without having to step tediously around the bike. The height of the main beam of the PRS 22.2 can be adjusted between 30 and 45 76 to 114 centimeters, and its tilt angle is also adjustable. Again, while it's not quite as instantaneous as letting gravity adjust the angle of the bike as you would with a tube clamp stand, this adjustability allows for certain key jobs to be completed comfortably, such as bleeding hydraulic disc brakes. The Park Tool Team Issue PRS 22.2 is constructed of 6063 T6 lightweight aluminum and high-quality composites, making it Park Tool's lightest repair stand, but also durable enough to handle life on the road when traveling to races. While it wouldn't be our first choice for maintaining the family fleet of road, gravel, and mountain bikes on a routine basis, its low weight, small footprint, and durable build make it a great pick for traveling to races with only one bike, or a few similar bikes. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.